Assalamu alaikum friends, it's me your host Mamil Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I'm here with a new amazing mining site where you can earn a huge money from investing in their site. So you can easily invest in their site and easily earn money on daily basis. So today I'm going to show you how we can register ourselves on their site, and I will also show you how we can deposit and how we can withdraw from their site on daily basis. So first of all, I want to share something about their project. So if you are new on their project, so if you register yourself, then you will receive a 500 trx as a bonus, as a reward. So 500 trx are free for you if you are new on their side. So after receiving their 500 trx, you also can use these 500 trx in mining, and you will generate a huge profit by in a very few time on daily basis. So first of all, I request you all to see my complete video, because I also tell you something about how you can earn money by zero investment, because their project also refer you some plans where you can earn a huge money by zero investment. So first of all, I show you how you can register on their site. So you need to write your mobile number, your login password, your security password, and an invitation code. So I will also give the invitation code in my video description. You just need to go to my video description and copy this invitation code and paste at this place. After pasting the invitation code, you need to fill the captcha. This is attached, so you need to write the same numbers and same figures that are here. So after writing these figures, you need to click on the sign up, then you will automatically sign in their site. So I already register myself on their site. So here I am going to write my number that I register on their site and password that I set on their registration page, and click on the login. When I click on the login, then I will find out this page. This is the home page of their site. So here you can see their different plans, their telegram exchange group, telegram customer service, and WhatsApp here. So you can contact them directly, ask any question that you have regarding their project, or ask any solution of the problem that you have regarding their project. So after this, we discuss about the simple their first of all, their introduction. Cloud mining provides a potentially cost effective way to mine Bitcoin, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies at the same time. Whether it is quantitative trading or DeFi technology, you can easily participate in blockchain transaction with a small amount of funds and obtains stable income like insurance. The 500 TRX of the registration reward is used to purchase the mining power, because we use TRX to buy mining power for mining to obtain income. So your deposit is the fund to buy mining power, so you can't withdraw immediately, and the withdrawal will stop mining. This is a cloud mining application with two profitable methods. So here we also discuss there are two profitable methods. First, the minimum investment is 2 TRX or more to attractive. The account, after the account is activated, you will receive 5% of mining income and 2% of daily withdrawal interest. For example, your basic wallet registration reward of 500 TRX is to buy mining power. Invest in 200 TRX and your mining income is 5%. It's mean that 700 multiplied by 5%, so you can receive 35 TRX. The withdraw limit of the basic account is 2% of the investment of 200 TRX. Withdraw 4 TRX every day. Every day is very important to you, because you can extract it forever. The daily withdrawal limit amount depends on how much TRX you have invested in your account, and if you want to withdraw more TRX every day, you can increase your investment. For example, here you can find out that they are offering different plans. So if you withdraw in from 2 TRX to 1000 TRX, so you can withdraw 2% on daily recharge, and daily withdraw total recharge at 2%. So your daily income will be 5%. And you can also read out their different plans. Different plans have different percentage of withdrawal and have same percent of daily income, which is 5%. So you can also read the So here you can see that this is their referral program of the mining's world. So if you want to earn without any investment, if you want to earn with their referral programs, so you can earn 15% if you send your referral link to your friend and your friend deposit in their site directly, then you will earn 15% of your friend deposit. If your friend A send this link, send their referral link to B, and if B deposit in the website, then you will find out 10% of their income. Like WazirX, CoinDX, Binance, Genesis Mining, CoinMint and Bitmain. These are the partners of their sites. So after this we discuss of how we can deposit in their site. So you need to click on the deposit. Here you will find out their QR code and their address. So you need to copy this address and go to your Trust Wallet. So in Trust Wallet, you need to go to Tron and click on the send. So you will find out this interface. So here you need to paste the address that you copied from their site and the the amount of your TRX that you want to deposit in their site. After writing the amount, you need to click on continue. When you click on continue, you will find out the confirmation message here. So after finding the confirmation message, you need to confirm it. So here you can see that my transaction is going and it will be sent to the website. So let's go to our website and we check whether we receive our 5TRX or not. So after some refreshing here, you can see that I received 5TRX that I sent from my Trust Wallet. So here you can see that now my balance is 505 TRX, and here you can also see my deposit quantity is 5 TRX. So it is very easy way how we can deposit. Now we discuss how we can withdraw from their side. If you want to withdraw from their side, you need to click on the withdraw. Then you will find out this page. Here you need to select your account, basic account or promotion account, and you need to write the amount of your limit that you can withdraw from their site. And after writing the amount of your withdraw, you need to paste the address of your receiving Trust Wallet Tron wallet. So after pasting the address, you need to write the security password that you mentioned on the registration page and click on the confirm. So here you can see that I fill this page that I give all the related information that they are asking for me. So after giving these information, I need to click on the confirm. So here you can see that my withdrawal is successful now, and I also receive my wallet message, that they when they receive. So here you can see that I received my message from my wallet that I received 0.1 TRX from their mining site. So it is very easy way how we can deposit and how we can withdraw. Here you can make your own team members to mining for mining, and you can also check your profit list and transaction list. Here you can see that first I received 500 TRX as a reward, 5 TRX that I deposit from my Tron wallet, and 0.1 TRX is withdraw that I make withdraw from their site. You can also earn money without any investment. So you need to copy this address. This is my referral link, and send to my family and friends and social groups. Then when they join from my referral link, then you I also receive some amount of TRX as a reward. So thank you very much. This is very simple way how we can use their site, and after this you can also log out from their site. You can also check their notifications, and thank you very much. This is the very amazing site. So thank you very much to see my complete video. Allah Hafiz.